Let's try it. I've actually not had the shawarma here. I've had like the fries roll and other things. We have the option of chicken or beef, and I ordered chicken. That is good. Hello again from Cairo. It is almost January 1st. The weather is kind of shitty. It's raining and it's cold, but we are doing another street food episode. Today we're trying kofta, or I'm showing you guys what kofta is. I've had it a lot, and there's a place that I haven't been to in a while, but I used to go here almost every day, just around the corner from the hostel Holy Sheet. So Kazaz is right back there on the corner, which is very popular with people in the hostel and just in general with people in the city because it's cheap, good food and convenient. But I love these guys for kofta even more. And Karim is working. I know this guy. So what is kofta? It is like a minced meat, usually beef or lamb. They mix it together with spices, and you can make a sandwich out of it. Zayek. Karim. Zayek. كله تمام؟ كويس. والله تمام. ماشي. YouTube ماشي؟ Okay. This is Karim, guys. Karim. Karim. Wow. Fuck, I fuck up everyone's name. Karim. واحد كفتة. ايه؟ مشغول؟ أنا مشغول. لا. فينك؟ فينك؟ أنا مش فاهمة. مش باينة خالص. Oh, this weather. سافرتي؟ لا. أنا عندي شقة. شقة؟ أيوة. شقة في الجيزة؟ أخيرا. Alright, he was just asking me where I've been, and I told him I've been looking for apartments. So, but back to the street food. So, kofta.
The chicken.
واحد كفتة. Dude, it's so hot by the fire with all these jackets on. Hey, Zay. I've been busy. Oh, shit. They're falling. Salam alaikum, Beisha. So hot by the fire. واحد كفتة. أيوة. لا. Okay, I gotta pay. بكم؟ إيه؟ أيوة. Okay, everything is 20. It's so hot. I'm dying right now. I'm just gonna set this here. I cannot get this jacket on. It is so hot. Oh my god. Way too many jackets on. Yes, so these guys are notorious for taking a long time to get the food ready, but it's good, so worth it. It sucks that it's raining. I don't really want to keep the camera out here too long with my microphone, but got him. These, man, I'm still hot. I got a hoodie on, another jacket, and then this big jacket. I've had to buy a lot of clothes for Egypt because I didn't expect it to be so cold in the winter. It's actually not. It's like 55 degrees or 15 Celsius, but it feels colder. Maybe it's just the desert. I don't know. Anyways, now it's hot by the fire, recording. I took the metro here. That was also extremely busy and hot in there. But yeah, kofta. This is the menu. So kofta, minced beef. This is it. Cooking. I don't want to burn my wind muff, so keep it out of the fire. But yeah, that came to 20 pounds Egyptian, which is, well, 15 pounds is like $1. So $1.15, $1.25, I don't know. I'm bad at math. But yes, okay, I'm not going to record this entire time that it's taking to cook. I will wait here, put the camera away, and then show you what it looks like after I receive it. All right, see ya. Okay, we're back. I received my kofta. Took a bite out of it just to get some of the bread out of the way. But, I don't know, it's pretty dark out here. Sorry for the crappy filming, but got my jacket around my arm. This is what the kofta looks like. So it's just tahina and kofta in there. They have put like parsley or something on that in the past. There's usually a little bit more. I think I ordered a small kofta. So it's just pita and wrapped around the kofta with some kind of white sauce in there. Probably tahina. Yes, gotta be tahina. I haven't hit it yet. Let's try it. Good as always. There's so much good street food in Egypt, from kebda to kofta to falafel to koshari, hawashi. I have a lot of videos to make about that, but this is just another episode of the street food tour. So kofta, very similar looking to shawarma, but instead of chopped up meat, it is kind of minced meat formed into sort of hot dog looking things with a hole in the middle to grill it on the kebab, and wrapped in a wrap or even put into a sandwich. It depends on what you order, but very delicious and a cheap meal. So anyways, call to prayer is going off. I'm going to end this video and go eat this. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy my content, share it with others, and help the channel grow. Hey, Zagasta! This guy. Alright, I'm gonna end the channel here, or the video here now, to talk to this guy. I see him all the time.